ki Pulit ka East Khasi Hills kila kem I Khynnah khatlai snem but la phah shaga Juvenile Justice Board halor ka jingdon bynta ha ka jingiap jong I Khynnah kynthei ba south snem ha Nongrah Nonglum Brei Shillong kagum ka jingong Superintendent of Police ba Vivek's aim uni I Khynnah ubasa amarjan but baju let bha shaga yeng ini Khynnah ula kubur ba ula yalam ye ini Khynnah kynthei shaga ni ga yeng badang shna ka jaka balap ya ka medyap ini I Khynnah kynthei ba kerteng I insa phira lingdo maunai ila jar ngai na la ka jong ka phalau yeng ha ka por prabaji min step jong ka khat sau tarik nai lu ka jing tokit ki Pulit bakli da ka special investigation team ka po ka jing ram USP ba Herbert Kharkongor kalapin pau ba uni I Khynnah ula yalam ye I insa phira shagani ga yeng badang shna par ula sintut par dio tan lang ye I insa phira shaga thliu balang ka balam shaka jingam jilom ka kai khot postmortem ka pintikna ba ka daw jong ka jingyap ka deina ka jingmui pat kamdan sakhi setia ya ka nu ka dakmong ni ka jingsha kta ka long rinjeng ha ka jing tokit ke SIT uni I Khynnah ula phla bo yalam ye I insa phira shakate ka jaka pat pershang ru banyalam bakla da ka bathau khana halor ka kali scorpio rongyong bat ki breu bading mask Nalor kani USP ula ong baka SIT kanang tokit shosho ya ka jingkam uni I Khynnah ban pinshisha la ka dei ka basu jaring khat lani accident ne dei ba jia da kiwi pat kidaw.
With regard to the death of the 4-year-old girl in Nongrah Nonglum Brei, which who also went missing on the 14th, I'd like to give you a point-by-point sequence of the events and what SIT has unearthed so far. So on the 14th of September, information was received by Rinjap Police Station from the father of the girl that she had gone missing, and they had found that she had gone missing at about 8 a.m. in the morning. It was also found that from the family members and the uncle that the girl child was last seen playing in the compound at about 7:30 a.m. within the premises of a house. And when they realized that she had gone missing, all neighbors and locality members, inhabitants of the locality had been alerted, and they began searching. The police immediately rushed to the area, and intensive search was being conducted along with the VDP and dog squad. On the 14th, I think because of heavy rains and all that, though extensive search was done, the girl child could not be found. It was only on the 15th, the next day at about 8 p.m., that information was received from the father that the child's body had been discovered by a labourer of a construction site, which is about 100 meters from the residence of the girl child. And uh, immediately, DSP Crime Against Women, OC Rinja, had rushed to the place. They had cordoned off the area, and inquest was conducted with the help of the forensic team from FSL Shillong. The body was taken to Negrams, where post-mortem examination was conducted, and the body was handed on the 15th only. After the post-mortem was conducted, the family members, in particular the father of the child, had filed a complaint. We had registered a case in Rinjap Police Station pertaining to murder. Then a special investigation team was set up, headed by SP City, Additional SP Ops, DSP Crime Against Women, DSP City, OC Rinja, and one WPSI from Nongman. Now, after SIT examined, this has been the third day from the time we had found or recovered the body. Looking at and investigating in these 3 days and examining many witnesses and looking at all the available evidence which we have actually gathered, we zeroed down on a 13-year-old boy who is a neighbor of uh, the child girl, and who's also a frequent visitor of the house. He was produced before the Child Welfare Committee and examined thoroughly, where he had admitted that on that particular day he had taken that girl child over the wall and taken her through the beaten path, which I think most of you all have seen, and gone to that construction site. According to him, since his feet was drenched with mud, he washed his feet in that there's a cavity or a hollow between the wall and the building and the retaining wall, and that day the water was full. According to him, he had slipped and the girl was close to him. He had pulled the girl along, dragged her while slipping, for which he has injury marks on his feet, and the girl drowned. Out of panic and out of confusion, he placed a stone on the body of the girl child and went home straight. After some time, he came along with his mother to the girl's house, and he found all the relatives of and the parents of the girl child looking for her. While SIT examined him yesterday, it is a fact, and according to him, that he had actually just concocted the black Scorpio without number plate and black men and masked men, as he had panicked and wanted a distraction. The post-mortem report was received today. The post-mortem report says death due to drowning. There is no anti-mortem injuries. There is no sexual assault, and the death was 24 to 36 hours from the time post-mortem was done. So that indicates that the death happened in that place, not in any other place. And he was sent to the juvenile home yesterday for observation. Today, thorough medical examination and several medical tests has been done on this boy. He has been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board